All right, guys, hopefully we can beat the rain through this video. Got a little bit coming in this afternoon. Just got back from a test drive in this 1965 Mustang Fastback with a 289 under the hood. This was a good test drive. The car felt awesome, nice and smooth. I post videos every day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to let you know every time I post one. We have a muscle car lot here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check it out, maplemotors.com. Finance options are available as well as shipping. What we like to do in these videos, point out all the flaws. Anything I see, I'll tell you about. I want you to know everything about these cars before you get here. All right, guys, starting up here in the front, I like the chrome up under the hood. For one, it looks nice and clean. They've got nice clean fender wells. It's like aluminum heads on this one, Edelbrock aluminum heads. They got it set up nice. Under the hood's nice and clean as well. Coming around the front end here, just looking down the car, look how straight that is. Decent set of tires all the way around. Looks like a brand new bumper in the front as well. The grille's in great shape. Look down this side. Just as straight as the driver's side. I'm gonna be looking for any chips, scratches, issues that may need to be addressed. There is a bubble right here on the hood scoop. There's also a chip up here and a little imperfection in there. And a little chip. I'll be shutting the hood down here in a moment. Little bubble right here on the fender. Looks like that's just under the paint. Well, that's actual water. Looks like new mirrors. Rubber around the vent window's been replaced. Trim's in good shape. It's like a light scratch right there at the bottom. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood so I'm not flipping the camera around. Sometimes I remember to do that. 2+2, seats fold down. Dual exhaust out the back. And those are LED replacement taillights. The bumper looks new. Very clean. Weather stripping in the trunk. It's in good shape. Truck itself looking really nice. And dry, so made a mess. Trunk lid is lining up. Looks like we got a few little chips right there on the back. Light scratch. Imperfections there as well. Weather stripping's been replaced around the windows. We've made it all the way around this car. We're We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now, and we'll start it up. Door opens nice and easy. I like the white interior. Looks like pretty new carpet, new mats. Ceiling's a little bit dirty. If I was in detail, it wouldn't look like that, but you should be able to wipe that off with some degreaser. I might even go ahead and get my guy to do it. Just watered down degreaser to do it. Go back over it with some conditioner. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping looks good around it. As you can hear in the background, we got some new cars rolling in. I like the way this looks in here. Nice and clean. Make sure we're in neutral. All right. This one starts up easy. Small tach comes up. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Looking across the dash. Nice and clean. I couldn't get the radio to cut on. It's all the way up right now. Or the blower motor. It wouldn't work. All our gauges are working. Full pressure, battery, water temp. The speedo worked. Showing 26,000 miles on the dash. Of course, I can't stand behind that. This is a 65 model. Windshield wipers, they do work. Gas gauge, it did not come up. I put $20 in this car and it wasn't working. Our emergency brake needs to be replaced. I don't know if the cable broke or what, but it wasn't working on the test drive. So go ahead with the horn. You ready? Oh, I'm gonna tear it off. It's not working. It doesn't work. Just wanted to give you a fair advantage there. Car does sound nice. It felt great going down the road. It was idled up a bit high. I think I can take care of that real quick. These usually have an easy adjustment on the carburetor if it's not real hot. We'll take that off and adjust it real quick. Got a Holly carb on it. Usually you can just take it down right here. There we go. Doesn't that sound a lot better? Sweet. Yeah, listen to that exhaust now. Let's go ahead and shut this hood down, check it out. Pull my hinge. Hang on just a second, guys. There we go. Sometimes you have to have two hands. Little chip on this side of the hood scoop. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. and we'll go ahead and end this video. Definitely check out the test drive that I just did. This was a fun one. We're gonna start up here in the front. If you want more pictures of the underside, get on maplemotors.com, where you can also find financing and shipping information. I do appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button. If you do that, you can keep up with all of our videos that we've been posting, all the cars that come through here at Maple Motors. We are a family business, been in business over 38 years, and I don't plan on going anywhere. So if you want to see all of our cars as soon as they come in, you can update every Monday at 12. Best thing to do, I try to tell people, if you want to get financed, go ahead and get pre-approved. You see something you like, whenever it does come through here, you just call me on that Monday and we'll try to get it to you. I do plan on doing better on getting the videos out there faster. So I've got a new plan this week. We're going to try it out and see what happens. Hopefully all the cars will be posted when we post them on Monday on the website. So we'll try to get all this going. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.